Hello students, let's solve this question. It's given that two ships are 10 km apart on a line running south to north. The one further north is steaming west at a 40 km per hour speed. The other is steaming north at 40 km per hour speed. What is the distance of closest approach and how long do they take to reach it? So there are two ships which are 10 km apart on a line which is in the north-south direction. So let us draw the diagram for this question. There is a line which is in north-south direction. I am assuming south to be downward and north to be in this direction. The one further north, a ship is in north direction. Let us assume a ship is here in north direction, is steaming west. This ship is going toward west. The velocity of this ship is 40 km per hour. So 40 km per hour. The other ship is steaming north at 40 km per hour. So there is a other ship here and that ship is going to north direction at a speed of same 40 km per hour. Now what is the distance of closest approach? We need to find the distance of closest approach. We need to find the distance of closest approach and the time when this will happen. So if you observe the diagram carefully, the distance between the ship is given to us, which is 10 km, and velocities directions is given. Let name the ships as A, B as given in the question. These are A and B ship. So velocity of ship A as seen by B. Velocity of ship A as seen by B is going out to be velocity of A minus velocity of B. Because these are same in magnitude and the directions are mutually perpendicular, if I vectorally subtract, so if I solve this expression, velocity of A minus velocity of V, velocity of A is in north direction and negative of velocity of B is going to be in south direction. Their resultant is going out to be in this direction. So velocity of A with respect to B is going out to be in this direction and 40 and 40 is going out to be 40 root 2. So by looking from point of view of B, the ship A is going along this line. From point of view of B, the ship A is going along this line. So the least distance of closest approach will be this distance, the perpendicular distance from B to the path of motion of ship A. This distance is going out to be the least distance. In question, they are asking the same. What is the least distance of closest approach? So this distance is definitely going to be component of this 10 km distance, and as the velocity, these velocities were equal, 40 and 40, so the angle of relative velocity is going out to 45 degree. This relative velocity at 45 degree angle, this angle is also 45 degree. So definitely 10 into cos 45, this is going out to be 10 by root 2 kilometer or 5 root 2 kilometer. The minimum distance between the ships is definitely going out to be 5 root 2 kilometers. They are also asking us how long do they take to reach it. So ship A as seen by B is moving with the velocity of 40 root 2 km per hour and it needs to cover this distance. After covering this distance, the ship A is reaching this point and at this point only its distance is closest. So this distance is a component of 10 or 10 by root 2 or 5 root 2 kilometers. So this distance is 5 root 2 kilometer, which is covered with a speed of 40 by root 2 kilometer per hour. So the time taken should be distance, that is 5 root 2 kilometer per hour divided by 40 root 2 kilometer per hour speed. So root 2 will cancel out. I will get 1 by 8 hours, or I can convert it in second. So 1 by 8 into 60 minutes or into 60 seconds. So you can calculate it. This is going to be the answer in second or this is going to be the answer in hour for the time of least distance. Thank you.